Here we have another equation with a radical. So first thing we're going to do is try to isolate that radical. So right now I've got square root of 3x plus 1. I am going to isolate it by subtracting this 3 to the other side, which is going to give me square root of 3x plus 1 equals x minus 3. Now that I have the radical isolated, I am going to try to get rid of it by raising it to whatever the index is. Since it's a square root, we're going to square both sides to cancel the square root. That leaves you whatever is inside. You cannot distribute a square onto a binomial. Instead, you're going to have to FOIL it. So you're going to write x minus 3 twice. Distribute your x. Distribute your negative 3. That is going to give you x squared, negative 3x, and 9. Then you're going to bring all your terms to one side. I'm going to subtract 3x to the other side, and I'm going to subtract 1 to the other side, so that we get 0 equals, so we got one side equals 0. I've got 3, 6, 9 x's, and I've got 9 minus 1. I've got plus 8 for my constant. So from here, we're going to try to solve for x. Now we have a quadratic, so we're going to factor it. We're going to look for factors of 8 that will add up to 9. So we've got 1 and 8 is going to work. If they're both negative, they'll make positive 8 when you multiply them, and they'll make negative 9 when you add them. So it'll be x minus 1, x minus 8. You're then going to set each of those factors equal to 0. And you're going to add 1 to the other side and get 1. You're going to add 8 to the other side and get 8 for your two solutions. Then, whenever you're working with radicals, you need to check for extraneous solutions. So you're going to go back and you're going to plug in these values for x and see if you get a true statement. So if I plug in 1, I get 3 plus the square root of 3 times 1 is 3. 3 plus 1 is 4, so we get 4 equals 1. That would be 3 plus 2 equals 1, and that is not a true statement, so that is not a solution. So that is an extraneous solution. Oh, sorry, you can't see that. Okay. And then you're also going to plug in 8. So plug in 8 to the equation and see what that gives you. So you're going to have 3 plus the square root of 3 times 8 is 24, plus 1 is 25. We're plugging also 8 into the other x, so equals 8. We want to see if this is true. Square root of 25 is 5. 3 plus 8 is 5 is a true statement. So 8 is actually my only solution.